Hi friends, let me show you this new anti-scratch dog bed that I received for reviewing purposes. It comes packed in an air-tight package. Let's open it. This is useful for medium dogs, as you can see. Okay. It will come to its full size quickly when it gets there. Perfect. It's a 20 by 30 inches size for indoor or outdoor. You can use it anywhere in your home, in your office, in your dog's crate. It's a firm, nice bed. The outside, you can take it off and take it to the washing machine. And the inside, this pad, you could water, rinse it, and leave it to dry really, really easily, okay? Easy to clean, easy to use. It is scratch resistant, as you can see. And let's try it with my dogs. Okay. Then Choco, as you can see, this is a medium-sized dog. It's a nice size for him. Okay, he's getting to know it, and he feels comfortable already. You like it, Choco? Milo, ven. Okay, Milo is a younger one, so he's a more active one. So they are happy in their new bed. As you can see, he's scratching it and nothing happens. You see? Perfect. If you need a new bed for your pets, for your home, for your office, or for a crate, this is a great option. Perfect.